G'day John, Alpha Messington Hyundai here. We'll walk around this Commodore as discussed and I'll see if I can point out everything for you. So we'll start with an overview around the car, and I might need to pause the video and start again because I've got another customer. So sitting under the sunshine here. Alright, let's start with the bonnet. Couple of stone chips at the front there. I mean, we can touch that up before we detail it. Front bar is actually pretty good. Driver side quarter. No dramas there. Driver side front wheel. No scuffs on that one, and the tyres are nice and chunky. I'd say probably anywhere about 80%. Driver side door. Can't see anything of untoward on that one. There's some minor things like that. This kind of stuff will largely probably blend out in the detail. I'm not quite sure about that one there, but it's not as bad as it looks on the video. We've got a similar thing in the rear. Driver side door should mostly blend out. Rear quarter is pretty good. Driver side rear wheel, no scuffs on that as well. Same tyres on this one as well. The boot, well, I don't know if you can see that. Again, I think this kind of stuff will probably blend in with the polish. Another one, minor one there as well, should mostly blend in. Round to the passenger side. That rear quarter's fine. There is a minor scuff, is it? Just a little one. This is the passenger side rear. That door's fine. Same with the passenger front door, and same with the quarter. And that wheel also has a little minor scuff mark on it, right there. I'll pause the video, jump inside and show you inside. Alright, looking on the inside, door cards. Try to get a good view of the seats for you. You can see they're actually in what I would call somewhere between excellent and very good condition. All the dash and all that. The steering wheel is actually pretty good. Quite good actually for its age. Yeah, this is nice clean interior. Back seats, excellent. Alright, I'm going to jump down the other side, John, show you the service books. So it's got a crap load of servicing, but that one's a 2024, 23. Go through those pages. I think these photos are on the website anyway, but there was another page that we found, which is that one there, which has 22, 21, 2018 and 17, and the 16 was on the other pages. So there's plenty of servicing. Have a look from this side. I'll load this up for you, have a look and give me a call once you've watched it. Thanks, John.